Let me show you how to get over 10 times the exposure on your LinkedIn by spending only 4 minutes a day. Manually commenting on 40 to 60 posts can take over 2 hours. That's valuable time you could be using to grow your business or upgrade your skills. This is where CommenTron comes in. An innovative AI-powered Chrome extension that helps you get noticed on LinkedIn by instantly generating personalized, high-quality comments tailored to each post. Ready to get started? It's simple. Once you've installed the extension, make sure to pin it to your extension bar to access the control panel. Then, go to LinkedIn or refresh your current LinkedIn page. You're ready to start commenting. All you need to do is click Comment. If you want a different version of the comment, simply keep clicking Comment, and the extension will generate a new draft each time. There you go. Now, here's the best part. You can access the control panel anytime to customize your engagement with CommenTron's powerful settings. Adjust the length for concise or detailed comments. Choose from 16 different tones to match your style. Mention the post author to personalize your engagement. Add emojis to make your comments stand out. Enable open-ended comments to spark discussions. Offer your specific services to generate leads through targeted comments. Imagine commenting on up to 60 posts in just 4 minutes, compared to the 2 hours it would normally take. Sounds incredible, right? Try CommenTron today.